Now let's talk about some applications of differential equations. Okay, we've already seen how to solve a differential equation. Now let's apply that concept to some actual real world applications. Okay, first what we are going to learn about is orthogonal trajectories. Okay, we already know what is a set of orthogonal curves, right? Two curves are said to be orthogonal if their tangents are perpendicular to each other, right? Using the same concept, we say that two families of curves having members such that the member of one family intersects the member of another family at right angles, then these two families of curves are known as orthogonal trajectories. Okay, let's understand with an example. If I have a family of curve like this, okay, if I have another family of curve which is like this, then these two family of curves are orthogonal because let's look at this member and let's look at this member. Okay, this member is intersecting this member, okay, although it is also intersecting this and this and this. Let's for the time being look at this particular member that it is intersecting. Okay, over here you can see the tangent is like this, it is actually horizontal. Okay, for this guy the tangent at the point of intersection is exactly horizontal, and for this guy the tangent at the point of intersection is exactly vertical. Okay, therefore these two members cut each other at right angles, and this is true for any other member of this family and any other member of the other family as well, right? Therefore these two families of curves are called as orthogonal trajectories. Okay, we'll see how differential equations help us to find one family of these orthogonal trajectory if we are given the other family of curves. Okay, let us suppose two members are intersecting at this point. Okay, and I know the equation of this family of curves. Okay, let us suppose the equation is y is equal to some function of x. Okay, what is this? This is the equation of this family of curves. Okay, now if this is the equation of this family of curves, then can I find out what is the slope of this tangent? I can, because the slope of the tangent would be equal to what? It is equal to dy by dx. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to f dash x is equal to slope of this tangent. Okay, so this is equal to, let's say, m1. Okay, what would be the slope of other tangent? This guy, let us just suppose this guy, the slope is dy by dx is equal to m2. Okay, but since these two tangents are perpendicular to each other, we know that this relation exists between them. Okay, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, two lines, if they are perpendicular to each other, then their slopes are defined by this relation, right? Therefore what I have over here is the slope of the other guy, which is dy by dx is equal to m2, is going to be equal to what? It is going to be equal to m2 is minus 1 upon m1, right? So the slope of the other tangent is going to be equal to minus 1 upon m1. Okay, but I know that m1 is equal to f dash x. Okay, so what I have is dy by dx